Hello cleaning crew! Welcome back to another clean with me. If you're new here, my name is Ang, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys basically my daily kitchen cleaning routine. Luckily it's pretty small so I don't have to do a lot in here. First things first, I needed to take the trash out because it is completely full. When I say take the trash out, I don't mean it literally. We have valet trash here where you leave that tote outside your door and someone comes by and takes it away for you. I've always had recycling at every place I've lived at, and when I moved here it was such a shock that they don't have recycling. So sadly everything goes into the trash. Yes, I know I'm cringing so badly. You can't even imagine for a person like me who used to even recycle the toilet paper roll, this is extremely difficult for me. Because we don't have recycling, we end up filling the trash very quickly since recyclables tend to be very bulky. I usually start out by emptying the dishes from the dishwasher so I can get started on washing a new load. Since we are only a family of 3, I prefer to hand wash the dishes and use the dishwasher as a drying rack. I only run the dishwasher maybe once every other week to get it clean and sanitized. Let me know in the comments what all you need to get done today and if you're cleaning along with me. I like to watch Clean With Me's on my phone as I do the dishes. You'll see this when the time comes. It makes doing the dishes go by very quickly.
What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
You'll see me pump some soap into a little dish and add some water. This is to help cut down using too much soap. I'm using the Kirkland Signature environmentally friendly detergent, and I get to wash about 3 dishes before I need to pump some more soap, so I think doing it this way helps use less. Let me know what is your favorite dish detergent. I also like using Dawn for those greasy pots and pans.
Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
After the sink is scrubbed, I'm going to wipe down all the countertops. I'm using the Method spray in the sea salt and lime scent. This is currently my favorite. I switch it up and also enjoy using Mrs. Meyer's and lemon verbena and also the Lysol antibacterial kitchen spray.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
Now I'm wiping down the Keurig. I also washed the base where the cup goes, that's why it's not there.
For you, if I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
also wash the turning plate inside the microwave as well. I like using Lysol to clean the microwave because I feel that it does a better job at cutting the grease than an all-natural type cleaner.
I'll do anything as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love.
We are coming to an end to this video now. I hope that this gave you some cleaning motivation to get things done around your home. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Happy cleaning!